So, good morning. Ako rin si Jeff Camillo. This is my report, isometric drawing of object. What is an object drawing of an object? An isometric drawing is a type of 3D drawing that shows three sides of an object in a single view. It is a form of pictorial drawing that represents the object as it would appear in real life, but drawn using isometric projection, where all three axes, height, width, and depth, are equally inclined at 120 degrees to each other. That is a isometric drawing of an object. So, saan may pasabot? So, ang una, ang isometric drawing kay usa ka klase sa 3D drawing nga makita nimo ang tulo ka side sa object sa usa ka view. So ang tulo ka sides na ang width, so height and depth. Ang pasabot mura gali nasa tubangan nimo imong ang object. Tubangan ang object na kung tan-awon nimo murag tinuod. So pero nasa sa papel o sa computer gamit ang isometric projection. So then ang katong tulo sa axis sa isometric projection gibutang og tag gitunga siya, gibuwag siya og tag 120 degree para pantay ang iyang sukod para pod pantay pod para pod walay walay distortion. So para dili liko-liko, walay dili hiwi, dili magkabali-bali. So mo na ang purpose ato yang 120 nga nang gitunga. So let's move on. Purpose in CAD computer 3D design. So in CAD software like AutoCAD or Fusion 360, an isometric drawing helps visualize how a 3D object will look before it's built. It allows students and engineers to understand the shape and proportion of an object, present a 3D-like view on a 2D plan, communicate design ideas clearly and accurately. So, purpose sa CAD, ako kay tabang ni sa mga estudyante sa mga engineer ug architect na makita ganin lang forma sa itsura sa 3D, madali nila makita bisan pag wala pa kini mabuhat mahimo sa personal napa sa computer. So sa akong giingon, so dali ra siya masabtan so ano ta sa understanding the shape of proportion of an object. So ang giingon dali ra masabtan ang shape sa 3D sa purpose sa CAD. So present a 3D-like view on a 3D model. So dali di mo masabtan ang hugis, sukat ug design. Na dili ra sa dali siya nimo masabtan, makita pud mo ang murag 3D view sa 2D na drawing or nasa screen. So gusto sad nimo i-present sa asa nimo i-present, so dali ra sad sa akong gingon, so dali ra sad siya masabtan ang design niya, mas klaro ug hapsay. So mara to. Thank you.
Key features of an isometric drawing. 1. Equal angles. The three main axes are spaced 120 degrees apart. The three axes that represent the object width, depth, and height all meet at a single point, forming three equal angles for 120 degrees between them. When drawn a flat sheet of paper, the vertical axis remains vertical and other two axes are drawn 30 degrees up from the horizontal. Example: imagine a corner of a room in an isometric drawing. The line going up or height is vertical and the two lines forming the floor corner width and the depth angle away from the vertical line symmetrically. 2. Equal measurements. Dimensions along each axis are drawn to same scale or no distortion. Unlike true perspective where object appears smaller the farther they are in an isometric drawing, all lines that are parallel to the three main axes, known as isometric lines, are drawn at their true full length. If a side of a cube is 5 units long, it is drawn as 5 units long on the drawing regardless of its position. Example: if you draw a cube, the lines representing its width, depth, and height will all be the exact same length in the drawing, making all faces appear equally sized and proportioned. 3. No perspective. Parallel lines remain parallel. They don't converge. In real-life photograph perspective, parallel lines, like a railroad tracks, appear to get closer together and meet a vanishing point on the horizon. In isometric drawing, parallel lines are always drawn parallel, they never converge. Example: when drawing a long box or a road, the edges that are parallel on the actual object will remain perfectly parallel in the drawing, creating an unrealistic but geometrically consistent view. 4. Visible edge shows the object height, width, and the depth in one image. This makes it excellent for conveying overall shape and dimension. An isometric view is a single view drawing that represents three faces of an object simultaneously. This allows a viewer to immediately understand the object three-dimensional form, whereas an orthographic projection requires three separate views: top, front, and side. Example: a simple isometric drawing of a Lego brick clearly shows the front face width and height, the top face width and the depth, and the side face depth and height all at once. In summary, an isometric drawing provides a visually clear, measurable, and undistorted 3D representation of an object by adhering to the rigid 120-degree axis rule and avoiding perspective coverage.